us to come out in the open and talk about how people with mental health are treated in the workplaces in Idaho and other parts of the United States and perhaps worldwide. Now, the last point is the constructive post that came in via a private message. It is this post that inspired me to think about qualitative or quantitative research in this area. Perhaps looking into different things about how silencing people with mental health problems can affect how they move forward with the accommodations. I'm not very clear with the different hypotheses at this time, but it's something that I'm working on. I have prepared a matrix of the responses, and I look forward to sharing it with you. And what else? The post currently has close to 10,000 views, and it is flagged as not safe for work. And that itself tells you how ready some people are to talk about the mental health issues in a workplace. Let me know if you have any questions, because I do. I always have questions. I hope you do too.